Hi everybody, this is Alberto Adriano, Director of Sales at Globe Panels. Today I want to shortly address a question that I received regarding if it's better to use PVC or aluminum profile to install the coving profile in a cold room. So actually it really depends. PVC of course is it's cheaper, so it costs less than aluminum, but aluminum can have a structural function. So if you need to join the wall and this support profile has to bear some weight of it, for example, if you join a wall and a ceiling, then aluminum is definitely better because it can withstand a weight. But on the contrary, if you just need a profile where to attach the coving profile, then definitely PVC is a better option because it's cheaper and can save you at least 60-70% of the cost. So it really depends on the function that this profile has in your cold room construction or in your laboratory construction. Thank you.